Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? Hope all is going very well. So today let's be looking at this solution task 0 times 0 for Python more data structure. Okay, we'll start by going over the resources. Last time we looked at the data structures in Python, how to use them, how to apply some of the parameters there. Remember this Python 3. Be sure to go and search this, get more knowledge about this. As I always say, please always do well to find out what all of these things mean. Anytime you see this man or help, just do well to just copy this item here. You can paste it on your Google search box or some of all this question box you find online, and then you get tons of details of what they are all about. So please do well to do that. Be sure to go over your resources, data structure, lambda filter, how to reduce and map, learn to program 12 lambda map, filter, reduce. All of these resources here are extremely important. Okay, so requirements for today include sorry, my mouse is misbehaving. Requirements today: VI, the Vim, the Emacs. Remember, we'll be using the what's it called? Ubuntu 20.04 LTS Python version. Okay, and we'll be checking our code. We'll be using the bash script to write our first line of code, and remember to have a readme at the bottom of your repository. Okay, so let us go to the quiz of this task here. For those of us that are finding it difficult, here are the answers to the quiz. Okay, 012, 4 is 0, number 5, what did this line print? Prints 4. Question 6, what did this line print? The print Hobarton, hello Hobarton School 98. Question 7, print Amy. Question 8, the print 1342. 1342. Question 9, the print 1234. 1234. Question 10, prints 89. 89. Question 11, prints box bracket 1234. 1234. Alright, so that does it for the quiz here. For some of us having the issue with the quiz, you can just go through that, pause the video, and you see what is there. So today we'll be working with a repo, ALX higher level programming. So let us quickly come. I'm using Git bash for this project. By now maybe you should know how to use Git bash. If you are not, search our videos and see videos about Git bash and how to connect using your SSH key. You really have to learn how to use your SSH key to connect your sandbox to external text editors like Git bash, because going further in the project you would be working with some external machines. I mean, in fact, you'll be required to create your own external machine. So you'll be required to generate your own SSH key with your public key and your private key, so you can work on them. Sorry, that's my son. So you can work on them and have uh, have access to your machine remotely, so you can store tasks and store whatever work that you might want to be doing. Okay, so this does it here. Alright, that being said, let us cd into the ALX higher level programming. Okay, right. So once we cd into this, we'll need to create this directory 0x04 Python more data structures. Alright, I like to copy as you know, then mkdir, I paste it so I don't make any mistake here. Alright, to tell me that the file already exists because I already have it. So what I need to do is to cd into that directory. Alright, so after you create your directory, be sure to cd into the directory, and when I ls, you see all the files that I have inside my directory. So these are the files that you need to be created. There is a .c file amongst of them. I have all of these files in this Google document, which I'll put the link in the description box for you, so you can go there and just click on the link to take you to this Google document. You have the codes for all of the files here that you need to be creating. Also remember, at the end of the task, before you git add, git commit and git push, be sure to make all those files executable, with exception of the readme and this .c file here. Okay, so be sure to make all of the files executable, just with the exception of these two. Alright, so we'll start by creating this file, which is our first task here. That's this file here. Okay, so you know how we create files with vi, but remember, okay, let us create our readme. Let's follow our pattern. Okay, so the first thing is to create your readme, as I always tell you to do. Your readme.md. This is the content of my readme. Like I say, you can actually have anything in there. You could just describing what you are doing. That's what your readme does for you. In this place here, you save by pressing escape : W and Q. That's how you save and quit. Okay, so what's the next thing we create here? We're going to be creating the first file, 0 square underscore metrics underscore simple.python. Alright, once we click enter, this is the content of that, and it is also found here. It is also found here. Okay, so as you can see, we have same contents in this place. You just need to just copy them and put in the box right there. Okay, I have all the files there. So remember how we quit? We click escape : W and Q, and then you save and quit. So what's the next thing we'll do? We'll go to the next task here. Go to the next task, task 1, which is this one here, and then what do? Do the same thing. vi, alright, paste the name of the file here, click enter, and this is the content of the file in this place right here. Okay, so you just have exactly everything that is here. And once you are done, remember when you enter your VI, you want to start writing, you need to click I to enter insert mode. That way you start writing, and when you are done, you click escape, colon, W and Q. What is it making noise? Okay, because I didn't enter insert. Okay, so here we go. Next thing, what do we do? VI to create the next file. What's the next file here? Our next file here is 2-unique add.py. Alright, you copy, you paste here. Okay, you have it here. When you enter, you click I to start inserting. You can insert whatever you want to insert here. This is the content of this file here. Okay, once you are done, you click escape to exit the insert mode or the edit mode, colon, excuse me, W and Q, then you enter. Alright, this way you have saved and quit this file. This is the same thing you would do for all of these files here, all of these files up to the last one. Remember I said your codes are found in this Google document that I placed here. All of the code, each and every one of them is found here. So be sure to go through this, get these codes, and then put them in your file. Then remember what I said at the end of the day. Do not git add, git commit, and git push if all of these files are not executable. You will get them wrong when checker comes to check your code. So be sure that at the end of everything, just before you git add, git commit, and git push, you do your chmod u plus x, then use the asterisk to change all of the files into executable. If I ls now, you see that all of the files, including the readme here and including this .c file here, are all executable. But I don't want them to be executable. What do? I change their mode again to change their permission. So u minus x in this case, and then I put the name of the file that I want to remove, in this case readme.md. I've removed it. If I write that code again, I remove this name and I change it to 103 -python.c. okay, if I change that name now and I click it, it removes it as an executable. It makes it non-executable. Okay, when you ls here right now, you will find out that all the files are now executable except this 103 python.c and your readme.md. These two files now are non-executable. At this point, you can now git add, git commit, and git push. So once you've done that, you can now go back to your task and start checking your code, and all of them are going to check 100% for you. Okay, so this is all you need to do for this task, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, leave your comment, and always check on the channel for new videos that are posted. Okay, and I like to say, let me know if there is a task that is not yet in our collection that you feel you're having issues with. Message us directly, leave us a comment, tell me, okay, I want you to help me do this task, or let us work on this task together, or something of that nature, and then I'll be happy to help out. I don't really know which one you need at this moment, because there's a new channel and we're still uploading videos. So if there is anyone that is pressing currently to you and you think and you wish I've done a video on that, just let me know. I'm going to do a video on it, and it will help you with whatever problems or challenge that you are facing with that project. Okay, thank you guys very much. I'm going to see you